Hello people, welcome to Stories, Curiosities and Mysteries. Today we will see 10 animals from Africa, but before we begin, do not forget to subscribe, activate the bell and leave a good like, it will help me a lot to move forward. Well, without further ado, what to say, let's start. Number 10, Black Rhinoceros, is one of two rhinoceros species found in Africa, the other being the white rhino, is native to Africa and is found primarily in savanna and forest regions in sub-Saharan Africa. It previously had a wide distribution, but poaching and habitat loss have drastically reduced its geographic range. The name black rhino is due to its coloration, which varies from dark gray to black. They are large and stout, with thick skin and folds on the neck and shoulders. They have two horns on the front of the skull, the front one being generally longer than the rear. They are solitary animals and tend to be more timid and aggressive than white rhinos, making them more difficult to observe in the wild. They are known to be more elusive and often retreat in the presence of humans. Number 9, Leopard, is one of the best known and most widely distributed big cats in the world. They have a wide distribution in sub-Saharan Africa, as well as parts of Asia, including India, Sri Lanka, Indochina, Malaysia and some parts of China. Adapting to a variety of habitats, from rainforests to savannas to montane areas, they are graceful, muscular felines. They have short, soft fur that is usually golden yellow with conspicuous black spots, although coloration can vary depending on habitat. Each leopard has a unique pattern of spots, making it easy to identify them individually. They have a stocky build and a proportionately large head. They are solitary and territorial. Each individual occupies a territory that it defends from other leopards of the same sex. They are nocturnal animals, which means that they are most active at night, although they can also hunt during twilight and dawn. Number 8, Hippopotamus, is one of the largest and most recognizable mammals in Africa. They are found in various regions of Africa, mainly in the aquatic zones of rivers and lakes in sub-Saharan Africa. They spend most of their time in the water and are semi-aquatic animals. They are excellent swimmers and can stay underwater for several minutes. They have eyes and nostrils located on the top of their heads, which allows them to keep most of their bodies submerged while monitoring their surroundings and breathing. They are social animals that often gather in groups called herds or rafts. These groups are led by a dominant male and are made up of females and young. Males are often territorial and will defend their territory in the water. Number 7, African elephant. The African elephant is one of the largest and most iconic land mammals in the world. There are two main species of African elephants, the African bush elephant and the African forest elephant. They are found in various regions of sub-Saharan Africa. Savanna elephants are found mainly on the broad plains and savannas of the continent, while forest elephants inhabit the tropical rainforests of Central and Western Africa. They are the largest land mammals in the world. Adult males of the savanna species can reach heights of up to 4 meters at the shoulder and weigh around 5,000 kilograms, while forest elephants are usually slightly smaller. They are social animals living in herds or family groups. These groups are led by an adult female, often the matriarch, and consist of females and their young. Males tend to be solitary or form bachelor groups. Number 6, Green Mamba snake, is a venomous snake found in certain parts of West Africa. It is one of the most venomous snakes in Africa. Its venom is primarily neurotoxic, meaning it affects the nervous system and can cause muscle paralysis and respiratory problems. Green mamba bites are life-threatening if not treated properly. It is known for being a fast and agile snake. It often moves along the ground, but is also capable of climbing trees. Unlike some other venomous snakes, the green mamba does not usually bite unless threatened or cornered. When threatened, it can adopt a defensive posture, showing its open mouth and exhibiting its inner coloration of the mouth, which is black. Number 5, Anopheles mosquito. Mosquitoes of the genus Anopheles are known to be vectors of malaria, a parasitic disease that affects millions of people worldwide, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. They are found worldwide, but they are more common in tropical and subtropical areas. Particularly prevalent in Africa, where malaria is endemic, they are medium to large-sized mosquitoes with long, slender legs. They can be identified by their appearance and characteristic resting posture. When at rest, they keep their bodies at a 45-degree angle to the surface, while other mosquitoes keep their bodies parallel to the surface. Malaria transmission occurs when an Anopheles mosquito bites a person infected with the parasite of the genus Plasmodium and then bites another person, thus transmitting the parasite from one host to another. Number 4, Black Mamba Snake, is one of the most venomous and feared snakes in Africa. It is native to sub-Saharan Africa and is found in countries such as South Africa, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Botswana and others. Most common in open habitats such as savannas and wooded areas, it is a slender, elongated snake that can grow to lengths of more than 4 meters. Its coloration ranges from olive green to black, and its inner mouth is black. It has a narrow and sharp head, as well as highly developed venomous teeth. It is known to have one of the most potent venoms of all snakes. Its venom is neurotoxic and can cause muscle paralysis and respiratory distress within hours if proper medical treatment is not received. Their bite can be fatal to humans if not treated promptly. Despite their reputation as a highly venomous snake, black mambas are often timid and try to avoid humans whenever possible. When threatened, they may adopt a defensive posture, showing their black mouth and extending their body to appear larger. Number 3, tsetse fly, is an insect found in various regions of sub-Saharan Africa. Although small and seemingly harmless, the tsetse fly is known to carry sleeping sickness, a parasitic disease that affects both humans and livestock and can be fatal if not treated properly. It is medium-sized for an insect, with a body a few centimeters long. Their coloration varies, but they are often brown to gray in color. They have wings and are active during the day. It is found in areas of sub-Saharan Africa, especially in regions where there is water, such as rivers, lakes, and wetlands. They usually live in wooded areas or with dense vegetation. The tsetse fly is the vector of African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness. This disease is caused by protozoa of the genus Trypanosoma, which are transmitted through the bite of the tsetse fly. Symptoms of sleeping sickness in humans include fever, fatigue, neurological disorders, and if left untreated, it can be fatal. Number 2, the Nile crocodile, is an aquatic predator that inhabits rivers and lakes in Africa. They are known for their aggressiveness and hunting skills. They use ambush to catch their prey and are dangerous to animals and humans that come near the water. They are found in a wide variety of aquatic habitats in Africa, including rivers, lakes, swamps, and estuaries. They are especially common along the Nile River and its tributaries, which gives them their name. They are large reptiles and the males tend to be larger than the females. Adult males can reach lengths of up to 5 meters or more, while females are usually smaller. Nile crocodiles are long-lived animals. They can live up to 70 to 100 years in the wild if they do not face significant threats. Number 1, lion. Lions are one of the most iconic animals in the African wildlife and are known for their majesty and strength. They are social animals that tend to live in packs. Prides are composed primarily of adult lionesses and their cubs, as well as one or more adult males. Males are responsible for protecting the territory of the pride. They are found in various regions of Africa, from open savannas to bushes and wooded areas. Lions are top predators and are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. They hunt a variety of prey, from antelope and zebra to buffalo and wild boar. Lionesses are usually the primary hunters, working together to ambush their prey. And these were 10 animals from Africa, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Until next time.